Tornadoes by Iyana and Caitlin.
Problem: tornadoes are destroying homes. About 1,000 tornadoes occur each year in the United States. Tornadoes are nature's most violent storms.
Cause: they start when hot and cold air collide and then they start the tornado.
Solution: shelters.
We want to build shelters on like trailer parks so that people that don't have places to go can actually go somewhere instead of just hoping that it doesn't hit where they are.
Why we should care. This is a chart showing tornado deaths.
This chart shows tornado deaths from 1875 to 2010, and you can see that it kind of just goes up and down. And at 2010, there were 553 deaths that year of tornadoes.
How we will use the money. We will build shelters.
Yeah, we were gonna build the shelters where for people that can't go anywhere, so that they can live. And then these are our sites.